It's really sunny and I can't actually see the camera that well, so if this is really bad quality or a bad angle, I apologize. Hello everyone, it's Chloe here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another playlist video. Today is a very exciting video because obviously you guys already know, but today's video is going to be a Christmas edition of my playlist Get Ready With Me. I just had a shower, so ignore my hair. But if you have been a follower for a while, you guys know I do playlist videos where I just do my makeup, sit down with you guys, and just play whatever music I kind of feel like that day. Today's video is a little bit different. It's going to be the same setup, everything, but I'm going to be playing Christmas music instead because it is currently December and I'm doing a lot of Christmas videos on my channel, so I thought I would play some of my fave Christmas songs while getting ready, and I'm going to do a Christmassy look. Now this is going to be a very out there Christmas look, I'm just telling you now. I did this look on live and I actually really enjoyed it, so I'm going to redo it and do a full face, do really cute lashes, all that stuff. I'm going to do a classic red lip as well because today I'm actually getting my nails done and they're going to be Christmas themed, so like I want to be in the Christmas mood, you know? So this isn't like everyone's cup of tea, like no one's gonna probably wear this look out to a Christmas party or whatever, a safe Christmas party, but knowing me, I have to go all out obviously. So I'm going to just jump right into this video. Every single product I'm gonna be using today will be listed down below like always. I'm gonna get right into it and I am so excited. So let's play some Christmas tunes, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to quickly do before I fix my hair is prime, because I haven't done that. I didn't blend that very well. Ew, yuck.
Power on, Bluetooth mode, device paired.
Thank you. As you guys saw in my decorating video, I have a dedicated playlist for my Christmas music, so I'll link that down below, but that's the playlist I'm going to be playing all these songs from. Just keep that in mind. But again, all of these songs are really common because obviously they're Christmas songs, so it's not a big deal. But I'm going to put foundation on and I'm going to play a song. Ooh. Literally my top two like albums I guess for Christmas is Pentatonix and Michael Bublé, but Justin Bieber's Under the Mistletoe album, just spice that in there, sickening. This is the first one I'm gonna play and I'm gonna put some foundation on, so let's get in the Christmas spirit, y'all. Hey, that's really cold. I know that it's Christmas time. Hey, melodies when your heart beats, baby, it sings to me. Ooh, yeah. The angels did sing. Oh, is this the Glee version? This is the Glee version. Hey, this is my foundation job for today. We're at a good start, but now I'm gonna play my favorite Christmas song of all time. Now, my favorite Christmas song of all time is Little Drummer Boy from any single person, but Justin Bieber's version just hits different. It just hits different. I don't know why. Maybe because it's a rap in it. I don't know, but it just hits me different. So this shit hypes me up. They told me, baby, for the king. Play for the king, play for the title. I'm surprised you didn't hear this in the Bible. Stupid, love like Cupid. I'm a drummer for some dope. I am a poor boy too,
I didn't back this, but I had to pull up on my fingers, sipping eggnog with a little sprinkle of vanilla, even though it's kind of cold for winter. I said, cool.
Merry Christmas, Father. Happy Hanukkah. If you wanted it, it's time of year. JB on the beat, yeah, I'm listening. They don't care when there's people on the street with no food, it's not fair. Give a key to a drive, let's change it. Glow. Hey, that song just hypes me up. Even if it's like, I know it's a Christmas song, but I could probably listen to that like yearly and be fine with it. Let's do a Sam Smith song. I think they brought this out like a couple years ago, so it's not like recent, but it's just a chill vibe song. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows to this song and just chill.
Have yourself,
Dude, I can't. Their voice,
have yourself a merry little Christmas.
oh. Dude,
Once more.
I can't. They need to stop right now. Okay, Sam, calm down a little bit. Are they even? I feel like they're not even. That's my problem all the time, is getting these brows even. Yeah, that's good enough for me right now. I don't really mind. I feel like I've been talking about the Pentatonix album, so I have to play a Pentatonix Christmas song because I feel like they are the pinnacle of Christmas. So before I play any more, I'm going to do my face now and then do my eyes because my eyes are kind of like technical. So I want to do my face really quickly. Let's play a Pentatonix Christmas song, eh? What one? There's so many. Oh, okay, the classic. The classic.
The fireplace is burning bright. Oh, that's Christmas to me.
This sun just came out.
Candles glowing in the dark, 'cause that's Christmas to me. I listen for the third of reindeer. It's the joy of family. Oh, why glowing in the dark,
Dude.
oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me.
Okay, this next song, oh, okay. This is Winter Wonderland and Don't Worry Be Happy as a mashup with Pentatonix and Tori Kelly. Now, if you don't know who Tori Kelly is, this lighting is so bad. I'm so sorry. If you don't know who Tori Kelly is, get on that stuff. She has a Christmas album as well, and it's in this playlist as well. That's a lot of blush, Chloe, Jesus. She is one of the most, that's okay. She's one of the most underrated artists of all time. I love her vocals so much. This mashup, it's just feel good. Feel good.
Sleigh bells ring, I understand. Walking in a winter wonderland.
Here to stay is a new bird.
And pretend that he is frosting round.
But you can do the job when you're in town.
Here's a little song I wrote.
You might wanna sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy.
Don't worry, be happy now. 'Cause we're walking in a winter wonderland.
They need to stop. I thought we would have put some glue on. So my face is done and my eyebrows are done. So now I just have to do my eyes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk about it a little bit. So what I'm going to do is grab a eyeliner pencil. This is the Colourpop gel eyeliner in Teaspoon. I'm going to draw my crease. And then I have a color in the Beauty Bay Nikkietutoirals palette that matches this color to a T. It's this one called Ill. It doesn't look like it matches, but it does when it's on my eye. And I'm going to blend this with that shadow. And I'm going to cut the crease and make it a cream color, so it's like the same color as my eyelid, and put some big lashes on, and that's it. But it takes a little bit longer because I have to get like precise. So you're probably not going to see a lot with the mirror, but hopefully I can like take breaks and like actually sing this song. I'm kind of scared, kind of nervous. I'm gonna do one eye at a time because it's like painful to do. I need to sneeze. Oh, Jesus Christ. I think there's another one coming. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh my God. Number 2. If there's a third one, I swear to God. That's a pimple on my neck. Ew, yuckies. Let me play the next song. This is a Glee song. Honestly, anything Amber Riley sings in Glee, period, is fantastic. But her Christmas songs that she sings, oh, they hit different. It's Christmas time.
It's Christmas time.
Oh, Kobe.
And in our world of plenty,
Dude, Amber Riley.
at Christmas time,
Hey.
it's Christmas time, it's Christmas time.
Love you, Naya.
Yeah,
Oh, dude.
you already know it's Christmas time now. It's Christmas time.
A classic. A classic. Good on Ariana.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. He won't be here next year.
It just broke.
Santa, tell me if you're really there.
That's not what I queued up next, you rude little shit. Classic Ariana. Also, this eye does not match. But like, do you see what I'm going for? Like, not, this is not everyone's cup of tea, sis. Like, no. I am sweating up a storm and my ass is sore. So that's fun. This next song is actually really recent. It's from We3. I love We3. We know that. I've played their songs so much on this channel. Basically, they brought out one Christmas song. It's called Our Last Christmas Eve, and this song is basically their last Christmas Eve with their mum before she died, which is depressing. It's a cute song. I guess. I don't know, it just reminds me of like my family members. So it's really cute and I like it, but like when you think about it, it's kind of really depressing. You can't help it, okay? So I'm gonna play it and then try and fix his eye, because his eye's literally doing my head in.
Here's my present, it's not under the tree. No card for you to read.
Dude, Manny's voice!
Mom, I'm here to tell you this. On our last Christmas Eve, it never snows here, but it's snowing just for you. Wear your favorite pajamas with the Grinch. Mama, just let me tell you this. On our last Christmas Eve, I'll be right here beside you till you leave, cause I don't know how else to show you.
Nope.
So I'll count every time you breathe. So mama, I'm gonna hold you here on our last Christmas Eve. It never snows here, but it's snowing just for you. Mama, I'm gonna hold you here on your last Christmas Eve.
That song's kind of sad, but like, it's good. Do I just keep telling myself that? Probably. I don't know what to play. So what I'm going to do really quickly is just set this concealer with a cream shadow in this same palette, just so it's like kind of my skin tone, you know. This next song is a classic. I don't know if this is a Christmas song. Maybe it is. I'm not sure. But this is Pentatonic's version, and I literally love Pentatonic's version. Mitch does a run in this, like a vocal. It's just, it's insane.
I've heard there was a secret chord.
Let's cry.
But you don't really care for music, do you? Saw her bathing on the roof. She broke your throat and she cut your hair. Hallelujah.
Is how to shoot somebody who after you.
I can't deal with them. They're too talented. They're too nice. Okay, let's put some Buble on. I feel like we need to put some Buble on. This is what's happening with my eyeballs, by the way. I'm going to add eyeliner too, so hopefully that's going to be even enough. But I'm just kind of touching this up. This is a bit too high, I think. I'm going to play some Michael Bublé.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Period.
Everywhere you go, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Is the holly that will be on your own front door.
Let's do some eyeliner.
Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be.
Period, Michael. Okay, I'm now back. I got a parcel in the mail, so if you see pop violence behind me, I'm sorry. But my eyeliner, almost at eyebrows, are now done. So basically my eyes are pretty much done. I kind of fixed up the green on this side as well. And now I'm going to put on some big ass lashes and mascara. But I'm going to put on Jonas Brothers, because who doesn't like the Jonas Brothers?
Snow on the ground, love in the air.
Ooh!
Slipping out on midnight, sing your name, don't wanna put.
Hey.
You make every day feel like it's Christmas. I can't help what I'm feeling inside.
I'm just putting eyelash glue on my lashes. Of course, I think you guys should already know, but the lashes are going to be Majestic by Supernova. These are the really, really big ones I always wear. I feel like it's going to look really good with this very, very subtle makeup look. So I'm going to wait for them to become tacky. I'm going to put a little bit of lip balm on, because I'm just wiping off the foundation and they're a bit irritated. So I think this might be my last song, but I'm not sure. But this is Mistletoe by Justin Bieber. I feel like everyone plays this song on Christmas, so I thought I'd play it, because why not?
It's the most beautiful time of the year, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
I'm not, but okay.
I'ma be under the mistletoe
With no one, shorty with no.
under the mistletoe.
Reindeers flying through the sky so high.
I'ma be under the mistletoe.
The wise men follow the star, the way I follow my heart.
They led me to a miracle. They love your lips on my lips. That's a merry, merry Christmas. Kiss me underneath the mistletoe. Baby, that you love me so.
Whoa. Anyways, these are my lashes. I feel like they fit the vibe. I know this look is not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I really do enjoy this look. And And with the red lips, I think it would be so cute. And then I'm going to play one more song when I put my lips on. But I want to send a photo to my friends on Snapchat, so give me a second. That's loud, okay. What classic Christmas song can we play to finish the video off? Oh, I know. Let's put some lips on.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. It's you.
Hey.
Up on the fireplace. All I want for Christmas is you. Baby, oh, I don't ask for much this Christmas. Ain't no listen.
Oh, this look.
Santa, won't you bring everyone around the day on the bring to my baby's
This look is sickening. My battery's gonna die. But this is a close-up of the eyes, I guess. Not really, actually, let me move you. Here's a close-up of the eyes. Look how cute I look. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera and make myself dress, do my hair and everything, and then I'm gonna come back and finish the video for you guys. So guys, I am now completely done-o-to. That's not a correct saying. I'm completely done now, and my battery's gonna die. I forgot to charge it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas-related playlist video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I liked actually doing this. It was really fun. So this is my makeup look. I actually really enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this. I'm rushing this outro because my battery's literally gonna die. Thank you guys so much for all the love on all my videos this month and just every single bloody video I post. Thank you guys so much for the love. But I love you guys so much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new here, please subscribe and make 2 videos a week for you guys every Monday and Thursday. All my social media links, every single product I used in today's video and on my face will link down below like always. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.